There's a video which was published by Dr. Odonga on the 24th of February 2024, and the video has again resurfaced online over the past few days, about 1 week. If you had not watched the video before we say anything, check the video.
This is time for Ugandans to rise up. How can the Speaker of Parliament earn 4,500 shillings a day? 20 million shillings a day, 4,500 US dollars. 20 million shillings a day. How can an ordinary member of Parliament earn 1 million shilling a day? There is no MP who earns less than 30 million a month. Ask me. I was there. This does not include even the travel allowances and inland and outland travel. Ugandans are being fooled. 20 million shillings a day. How do you explain that? How do you explain an individual in government buying 2 Mercedes Benzes for 600 million and for 800 million? How do you explain in a space of 4 years someone having a house in Kololo, someone having a hospital where? How do you explain that? Ugandans are being fooled. Look at the convoys of the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. Over 40 vehicles in the convoy. Why are the taxpayers being fooled? Who is fooling who? I think this is not acceptable. This is not why some people went to the bush. The revolution is losing its meaning. A policeman is earning 400,000. A UPDF soldier sleeping in the barracks in Kabong is earning 270,000. When a policeman asks for 2,000 from a vehicle driver, you say the policeman is asking for a bribe. And for you are getting 20 million shillings a month. We are going to come to that parliament in thousands. We are going to come. Power belongs to the people. This is a total abuse to Uganda. This is totally not acceptable. And we have to do something, and we are going to do something about it.
In this video, I'm going to analyze this video of Odonga. Dr. Odonga's statement, it's enough, not because it is poetic, but because it exposes a moral contradiction at the heart of Uganda's governance. If the Speaker of Parliament earns about US dollar 4,500 a day, roughly Ugandan shillings 20 million daily, that translates to US dollar 1.642500 million per year. Uganda selling 5.9 billion per year. Now pause, breathe. That is not a salary, that is a startup valuation. Meanwhile, a policeman earns Uganda shillings 400,000 a month. An MP earns what many Ugandans won't see in 10 lifetimes. So, when a traffic officer begs for 2,000 shillings, we call it corruption. But when leaders earn 20 million a day, we call it entitlements. Interesting vocabulary. The real issue beyond the numbers. Odonga is right about the core thing. The hunger is not just about money. It is about insult. Ugandans are not stupid. They can forgive poverty. What they cannot forgive is being mocked by excess. Convoys of 40 plus vehicles in a country where ambulances have no fuel. Mercedes-Benz purchases worth 600 to 800 million, while hospitals ask patients to bring gloves. Leaders preaching patriotism while living like oil sheikhs in Kololo. At that point, it's no longer leadership, it's performance art. If the Speaker earns 20 million a day, then 1 day's pay is equal to a policeman's 4 years. 1 week's pay is equal to a teacher's entire career. 1 month's pay is equal to a village health center budget. Uganda has only one real growth sector, political survival. Everything else is in recession. This is not why people went to the bush. That line from Odonga is not rhetoric. It's historical truth. The revolution promised discipline, equality, sacrifice. What Ugandans see today, luxury, impunity, arithmetic that doesn't add up. When leaders start living better than the country itself, the revolution quietly dies. Not with a coup, but with cynicism. Odonga may be emotional, dramatic, even provocative, but he is not wrong. A system where leaders earn billions, security forces earn peanuts, citizens are told to be patient, is not stable. It is just quiet for now. And history, African history especially, teaches us one thing: you can delay accountability, but you cannot cancel it. Power belongs to the people, even when the people are silent.